it's me again. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Before, I was speaking on my own language, Tagalog, in the Philippines. But now I'm speaking English, an Australian English. Australian. Because I live in Australian. Anyhow, I would like to say thank you, all those believing me for my journey in my YouTube channel. You know, I need more subscriber. It's free. If you do watching me in YouTube and subscribe, it's free. It doesn't cost anything, because every people that subscribe me, I can't even. My mother. Anyhow, it's really good for me. It's the more people I can help back home in the Philippines, because you know, I live in Australia and I eat. I have food. I can do anything here. I can go to the restaurant. I got house to live, and I'm working. And I can support my family back home. There is no problem. But the people, the neighborhood, the people know me. It's it's my heart. Like, it's really hurt for me if someone asking me for help, even just for the rice, or buy the medicine or something, or milk for the baby, or anything that they can survive for the day. If I haven't got money to give it to them, it's it's hurt here. It's very, very hurt there, because you know, I don't make money myself. I mean, I owe a small business owner. I'm a cleaner in Australia, and I'm the best cleaner in town. And anyhow, it's a joke. So the more people that subscribe me, the more people watch my video, the more I can help back home, the poor people back home in the Philippines. So I hope, guys, if you see this video, can you please subscribe or share for me, share my video, and like and comment below. Even though that I don't read much, I give you a heart, like thumbs up and heart. Sometimes I like to do that if I see you in my comment section in my YouTube channel. So I'll see you in the next video, guys, and I hope I can get more viewers, subscribers. Thank you so much. Right now, this morning, I'm going to work, because it's many people in the Philippines that they need my help. Thank you.